how to integrate Seesaw right within your Canvas course. So I'm just going to go into one of my sample courses, and I'm going to go over to the Assignments tab and create an assignment. Now this is going to be like a an integration type external tool, just as Flipgrid and just as some of the other ones that you may be using, Edpuzzle. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a name. Let's call it Seesaw Activity. And then I'm going to come down where the actual magic happens, which is your submission type. I'm going to select that, choose External Tool. This is also where you're going to find that Flipgrid is in here, this Google Cloud Doc assignment, which is really awesome. It's kind of like where it makes its own copy for each student, and I have another video on that as well. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, however, and I'm going to select that I want to choose Seesaw. And then it's going to ask me to link my account, and I already knew that I had created this account, so I had just had to go ahead and sign in, logging in with Google. So I'm going to get started, and it asks which class do you want to connect, so then I'm going to go ahead and connect it right here. And so now it says I can either continue to learn how, or I can view all of my activities. So now this is going to take me, maybe I want to look at just my library of things I've saved, and then maybe I want to do this one here. And all I have to do is say assign. And then now I can close out of this and save and publish. And so what does that look like for a student? Now the student's going to also need to sign in initially. I'm going to go ahead and click on the student view. I think it's going to make them sign in, but it looks like, hang on just one second, it's loading. It's going to look like this initially, and it brings up the activity right in there just as they would if they were to tap on it in Canvas. They can also go ahead and submit and add their response right in there. And then since I'm in teacher view, I get to see just as the teacher would.